Member Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, Dr. Tuliram Ranghang, to inaugurate this hostel in the kind presence of our Honorable Vice Chancellor, Honorable Pro Vice Chancellor, and other dignitaries.
Let me as chief guest today, 16th Foundation Day of Assam University campus. It has given me great pleasure to be in this august gathering today as we celebrate the 16th Foundation Day of Assam University campus. Before the Assam University, before campus come into the being our students with a great hardship. Even those who were promising in their studies had to drop the idea of higher education due to lack of money. Only handful few could afford a university study. But since the last 15 years, after establishment of Assam University Difu campus, education got a major boost. Now even the financially weaker section or people of get easy access to university studies. Right here in Difu, I am asked our youth to grab this opportunity, make use of every faculty available. We are constantly working to upgrade Assam University Difu campus into a full-fledged central university as per memorandum of understanding with the central government and state government and 6 militant peace agreements clause.
Program was one very major step. Our boys and girls have been suffering tremendously. Poor boys and girls coming from the districts of Karbi Anglong. Difu is rich. Difu is basically rich. But those poor boys and girls, they have to stay in paying guests, sometimes as relatives in somebody's house. So for them, for the first time, we have been able to produce a hostel. And the other one, the girls' hostel, is going to start now. So two hostels would give some support. It is not enough, but it is going to give some support. And apart from that, I may extend something that two departments, you know, the Department of Life Science, you must have seen the big Department of Life Science and Physics. The second story is being built. Vertical extension, 1 floor extra is being built. Now, two departments, anthropology and geography, they are actually just giving some rooms in the physics department and life science, like refugee. So once that upper floor is made, they would shift there. They would have their own space. Apart from that, our Vice Chancellor is very dynamic. He has said for the first time I have heard a Vice Chancellor say that fund is no problem. I will go to NEC, I will go to other organizations. They will fund, we just have to have the projects ready. So the project is already ready. 8 academic departments, the building plan is done by CPWD. But the final one, electrification and furniture, they are just putting this last polishing. Then the estimate would be ready. Then we can move to NEC, we can move to UGC. So it is going to happen very soon. And another one is our library building. We want to have vertical extension. So maybe 1 floor at a time, but we want to have first floor and second floor. So these things are in the plan. And today you heard the great news coming from Tuliramji himself that he has given 3,000 bighas for the upgradation of this campus. So now I asked him, he said we are going to put the pillaring. Once the council does the pillaring, we shall start the walling. And thereafter, I hope that better news is going to come. At this moment, we are having that dream. And Tuliramji himself said, next month, Chalo Delhi, we are going to Delhi.